Hello everyone, welcome back. Today, we will learn how to move images in a video using Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's select an image and create a video from it. For example, I'll select this guy with his bicycle. This is an image, and I want to make a video from it or create a moving image in a video. Let's choose another image from Pixabay. Let's say a Rush City scene. Let's select this one. If you download free images, be sure to support the creators by following them or liking their work. Now back to our work. Drag and drop the image into Adobe Premiere Pro. And select the video. Go to the control panel and click on Motion. Here you can see the scale option. Click on that and it will create a keyframe. Now I want to zoom in on this image to make it look like a video. Move your cursor to the end of the image. Click on the program monitor area and drag the frame to zoom in. You can see that it automatically created a keyframe. Now let's check it. To zoom out with the same image, follow the same process but in reverse. First, zoom in on the image. Click on Scale, and it will create a keyframe. Then go to the end of your image, click on the monitor area and zoom out. If you can't see the frame border, just hold the screen, drag it to one side, and adjust the screen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.